remember why you first joined Hilton Honors?
I do. It wasn't that long ago, and it was definitely for the points. This is Hilton Honors How To, where we answer every question you have about Hilton Honors. And today, we're talking about how to get instant value from the program.
Ooh, okay, let's get into it. I love how I get points every time I stay. I mean, where else can you get rewarded for a great night's sleep? As a Hilton Honors member, I immediately get a discounted room rate.
And with the free Wi-Fi, I don't have to stress about missing meetings when I'm traveling for work.
Free internet for the win. Now, I don't know about you, but one of my personal favorites is Digital Key.
The digital what?
Oh, wait, hold up. You know you can unlock your room door with just your phone. That's Digital Key.
Wait a second, that sounds amazing. I need to know more.
You can check in for your stay 24 hours in advance, choose your room, and unlock your door, all with the Hilton Honors app.
Okay, so you're telling me I can go straight to my room, tap the app,
Check.
and unlock my door?
That's exactly what I'm saying. All this magic can be done in the Hilton Honors app.
Okay, I need to know what else this app can do.
You know what? I can't wait to tell you, and you. So make sure you come back for more Hilton Honors How-Tos. Okay, I'm gonna open that up.
You have a ridiculous amount of points.
Right? Lots of stays, lots of traveling. Click on that video to learn exactly how to check in and choose your room for your next stay. And make sure to subscribe to Hilton's YouTube channel for more tips.